Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Mitchell here again today, and it is day 5, the last day of Read Across America Week, where we have been celebrating that reading is for everyone. Today, we are celebrating that reading is relaxing, and we have dressed in our pajamas to get cozy when we read today. So let's do just that. Let's sit back and relax as we read Steam Train, Dream Train by Sherri Duskey Rinker. Through the darkness, clickety clack, coming closer down the track. Hold your breath so you can hear huffing, chuffing, drawing near. A whistle blares out in the night, a mighty engine, wondrous sight. The smokestack puffs, the big wheels grind, the trusty tenders close behind. Cling, clang, the bell rings out on top, hissing steam, brakes squeal, then stop. The driver signals to the crew. Each worker knows just what to do. Quick, before it gets too late, start to load up all the freight. Everything will soon be stowed, a train car matched to every load. The crew slides back the boxcar doors and tumbles in to start their chores. They whirl, twirl, cartwheel, jump, but cargo's stowed without a bump. Things that rock and roll and spin, all are juggled safely in. The freight is loaded as they play. They work and bounce the night away. Building blocks, erector sets, bikes and kites and model jets. The box cars made to safely haul almost anything at all. The hopper's top is open wide, so cargo can be poured inside. The crew hops to it, one and all. They get to work and have a ball. Then, with a bounce, a pounce, a leap, 3 boys jump in and fall asleep. Tankers, lined up in a row, are getting filled with paints to go. Purple, yellow, green, and blue, a color convoy coming through. The reefer car is snug and cold. Its chilly box can safely hold frozen treats for every stop, like a rolling ice cream shop. The train car's packed. The crew sits back and chills out with a midnight snack. 10 hard workers lend a hand to fill the gondolas with sand. Sand for castles, moats, and more. Sand for tunnels, sand galore. Stacked up on the auto track, 6 race cars for a private track. Rainbow colors, flames and stripes, shiny engines, chromy pipes. The auto track will gently keep these fast, fast cars all fast asleep. The whale cars carry giant beasts munching on enormous feasts. Brachiosaurus lights the view while T-Rex gets a bone to chew. The flatbed cars are rolling beds. The weary crew can rest their heads and settle in and tuck in tight. Their work is finished for tonight. The red caboose is last in line. From the lookout, all looks fine. The freight and crew are tucked away. The next stop is another day. A hiss, a jolt, a shift and sway. Now the journey's underway. The train's departing, car by car. The headlight fades into the stars. Puffing, chuffing out of sight. Steam train, dream train. Good night.